Install and use the ChatGPT on your Samsung phone. Go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for ChatGPT. And here you will find the official ChatGPT app. Just go ahead and install the ChatGPT app. It's free. We can easily free our ChatGPT. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch the ChatGPT app. Tap on continue. And now, if you're first time in ChatGPT app, then you have to sign up or sign into your account. So tap on sign up. You can go ahead and create a new account. In my case, I'm just continue with my Google account. Okay, once you successfully signed into your ChatGPT account, now you can easily use ChatGPT on your mobile. Let's do some quick math. So here we can see the ChatGPT working perfectly. That's it.